Craving a decadent dessert fast? Welcome to your quick guide on making a salted caramel chocolate tart. Begin with a mix of graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and brown sugar. Press the mixture firmly into a tart pan and bake at 350 degrees until lightly golden. Let the crust cool while we move forward. Next, craft your caramel. Heat 1 cup of sugar until it turns a deep amber. Then stir in butter and heavy cream. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of sea salt for that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Pour the smooth caramel over your cooled crust and let it chill for 1 hour. Now prepare the ganache. Warm 1 cup of heavy cream. Pour it over chopped dark chocolate and stir until silky smooth. Gently pour the ganache over the caramel layer. Chill the assembly for 3 hours to set everything perfectly. Finally, sprinkle flaky sea salt to enhance the flavors. Each step creates a taste adventure that conquers flavor challenges with ease. Embrace the delicious craft and enjoy a gourmet dessert that's as impressive as it is easy. Try this quick recipe today and impress your guests with gourmet flair. Discover indulgence in every simple, delightful bite.